Hi folks, I'm Rod with Johnson RV. We're in Sandy, Oregon, just outside of Portland. And helping me behind the camera today is Nolan Sands. So either one of us would love to tell you more information on this details as you need, so please give us a call. This is a new arrival. This is a 2018 Leisure Travel Unity corner bed floor plan. We just don't see a lot of those. They only make probably 50 or 60 a year for all of North America. And it actually has the most floor space of any of their models. So that's kind of interesting. You need that space. Some folks travel with dogs, larger dogs, that sort of thing. It's a nice place. You'll see inside. We'll look at that in a minute. But just a good open feeling on that. This is in white suede is the color on this. And this particular one comes with the macerator system on it. It has Alcoa aluminum wheels. And it's equipped with solar. I think the previous owners added the solar themselves to it later on. Nice awning here, lit awning, so at nighttime you've got a nice area to stay outside when the weather's nice. Come on inside, we'll take a look at the floor plan. Nolan, if you go in first there, I'll follow you. Yeah. Now as you look around, you'll notice everything is just, the quality, immediately you notice that when you step into a leisure travel, it's pretty obvious. But nice real wood veneers, hardwoods for your cabinet construction, and easy access to all your controls here. Again, this has automatic leveling jacks too. I don't think I mentioned that to you earlier. So this is a very well-equipped corner bed model. In your dinette here, you have a U-shaped dinette, and you've got seat belts in there. And then of course the front seats up front, those turn around, become part of your living area. And you have an area here for entertainment as well. Small closet down below. Again, the folks that had this took very good care of it. It's in beautiful condition. You notice we have the ambient light on here. That's nice. You know, nighttime you don't have to have all the lights on the coach. It's just the right amount to open up the place in the evenings. Very nice, very relaxing. You've got your corner bed, of course. This is all Corian countertops, highest grade Corian countertops. Nice two-door fridge, microwave convection, another closet, some drawers here for space. And your bathroom at the back, corner bath in the back. So what a neat, versatile floor plan. You can sleep up to 4 people on this and travel with that. So we'd love to show you more about it. Give us a call. Again, Rod or Nolan at Johnson RV, 503-668-5400.